Hello everyone. So as promised, I will show you today how to download camtwist sets as well as how to upload them into your camtwist so that you can use other teachers or other people's camtwist setups on your camtwist without having to recreate everything. Okay, so let's get started. First things first, open up camtwist. You can go through your applications folder, or if you have it in your dock. I personally press Command space on my keyboard and I type in CAM. Camtwist is already pre-filled. I press enter and it opens up. Okay, so here we go. So now if you notice on the toolbar, you'll see the word sets. I want you to click on sets and click on manage. So here you have all of your sets. So you can click on any of them and click on show in Finder. So now this shows up. This is your Finder window. It shows save setups. So here you will see all of your setups. What I suggest that you do is go to your desktop, right click, and create a new folder. Once you create a new folder, you can name it whatever you'd like. Let's name this one camtwist sets 2, and the reason why I named it 2 is because I already have one created here. So I'm just going to create it to number 2 folder just so that I can show you this tutorial. So now I have an empty camtwist sets folder, right? I double clicked it to open it and here I have it. So I have my save setup. So this is from camtwist, okay? You're going to highlight these setups. What I want you to do is press Command C on your keyboard, or you can go up to Edit and copy 5 items, okay? Then you click on your new folder, and I want you to press Command V, like Victor, and all of them will be pasted, or of course you can press Edit, Paste, okay? Also, if you notice on the side, it tells you what command you need to use. So anyway, so once you paste them, of course, wait for them to finish loading. You don't have to leave this window open for that to happen. You can exit the window and it'll be fine. But just know that before you start uploading them elsewhere, you need to wait for them to finish uploading into your own folder. The reason why I had you copy and paste them and not drag them is because if you drag them, you are now taking them out of your own camtwist. So you will have them in a folder on your computer, yes, but it will not be the folder that camtwist will be looking at to find your setups, okay? So you want to copy and paste, do not drag them, okay? So now that you have them in your folder, you can now get out of the saved setups folder and you can even exit camtwist if you'd like, okay? But let's not do that right now just because I need to show you now how to upload your sets in here, okay? Before I do that, let's show you how to share them with other people. So I'm going to go here to my Facebook. This is the post that I created a few minutes ago. So in order to share them now with other people from this group, just give you some time to read it. You're going to click on Files on the left-hand side. So here, it's usually here sometimes for some groups, but you may not find it there. So click on Files on the left-hand side. And here you'll see some that I've already uploaded. All you have to do not click on Create Doc. Click on Upload File. Click on that. You will see this. Okay, you can type any description that you'd like up here. I just put camtwist sets. Whoops, camtwist sets, but it really wasn't really necessary. So you don't have to put anything there. You can put something regular in there. I'm not sure if you need to have something there. Click on Choose File. So this will show up. Now, I'm already on camtwist sets because I was uploading some a second ago, but I'm going to go back to my desktop just so that you can start from scratch just like you would normally start. So now I'm going to go back to the other Finder window that I have, okay? Here it is, camtwist sets 2. Now remember, I never closed it. If you closed it, it's okay. Just open it up from your desktop and I'll show you that right now. Now, you're going to see something pretty cool right now. This is called hotspots. Every corner of my screen does something different. See that? So my hotspot is set up this way. So you can do that from your system preferences. That's a whole nother video, I'm sure. So I'm going to go to the bottom right corner just so I can get to my desktop and open up the new folder I created, which is camtwist sets 2. Okay, so I have it open now. What I need to do, this is the one that Facebook had open for me, right? But let's say for some reason you can't find your folder through these little tabs. The easiest way I find to do things is just use this. So I just click on the M sound, for example. Let's say I wanted to upload that set. Click and drag it. For some reason, my click and drag is acting out. Click and drag it, and it will automatically open this folder. So I don't need to go search and hunting for it because I already had the Finder window open. I can now exit that. So here I am, M sound. I just click on choose. I'm not going to do that because it's already uploaded here. You will choose, and then of course, click on the upload, and it will upload the files. Okay, now to download, all you have to do, click on the right-hand side here. Click on download. Again, I will not download it because I already own this file. But you will click on download. And let me now exit this. Once you download it, it will usually be in your downloads folder. So you will take it from there. And you will now click on show in Finder here. So you will go to your downloads folder. You will click and drag the file. Whoops, click and drag the file in here. And it will now appear as a set here. When you're done, just simply exit and you're done. Oh, wait, one more thing. Sorry, one more thing. You can either drag it into there or you can click, no, you can't do it that way. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Just wanted to make sure that I didn't miss anything, but that's how I would do it with Show in Finder, dragging it from your downloads folder. All right, I hope this was helpful to all of you. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.